Welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be doing a green season recipe for you guys, and I'm going to add my twist to it, which is I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning. Now there you see most of the ingredients that you guys can identify. Which is the bell pepper, hot pepper, garlic, thyme, scallion, and a lemon, which I'll be squeezing like some juices, and the garlic. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Stay tuned. I'm back again, and here now you see that I've cut up all the ingredients that I need to make my seasoning. And another thing, guys, I save the bottom of my scallion because I plant them in water for them to grow, and they can grow and stay in the water until they're fit. You just cut them back. So all these pieces I'm going to plant either in a pot or in water. They grow in any. Look at this, what I'm trying to explain to you now. This is just a cup of water that got me this scallion here 1 week ago. So all you do is just put it in a cup with water. So this, you just drop it in, and after a few weeks it starts sprouting here, and you're good to go. Once they grow up, you just cut off the top and continue, and it grows over and over and over. Guys, you can either use your blender or a juice extractor, and you can use anything that you, the individual, want to put in. I got a call, so as I was saying, you can put anything that you choose to put in your green seasoning, where I'll be adding my all-purpose. So when I'm seasoning my meat, I don't have to use any seasoning over again because it's already in the blend. And then I'll add my lemon juice, or I'll add my vinegar. Anything, as I say, you want to add to it, you can add to it. So I'm going to go ahead now and start the process. So I'm going to add my spices now to the blender. Please guys, remember to wear gloves because you're dealing with pepper and herbs and stuff, and then you might put your hand in your eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the stuff. Guys, there you go. Add it to the blender. Guess what, guys? I'm pressing the button and forgot that the blender is not even plugged in. It's a blend. Okay guys, I'm on to the second set now. Sorry for the mess earlier because I realized that I didn't screw on the bottom of the blender properly, so the juice was escaping from the rim. So this is the second set. You know, sometimes it's difficult to record with one hand and do everything, but here we go. Chop. guys. So this is the perfect way now to add, the perfect way to season your blends. And when you're seasoning your chicken or your fish or whatever, you just use this, put it overnight to marinate, and when you wake up in the morning and take it out the fridge, the smell, the aroma. Right now my eyes are running, people, from the pepper and the onion. My nose is running, so you know how it is when you're doing these things at home. Okay guys, here's the finishing product. Green seasoning. It's Dwight Cooking Show style. Now what I'm gonna do now is use my little scoop here and add my seasoning to my jar and put it in the refrigerator. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is my first green juice I'm giving to you guys, and there you see it, and the items that I used. Now you guys can use whatever you feel to use. It's your choice. Everybody has a different taste bud, so I expect persons to put whatever they feel like to put in it. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel.